Lucid starts production of the groundbreaking Lucid Air in Arizona. Customer deliveries to begin in October. Lucid Production Preview Week events begin at Lucid's factory in Casa Grande, Oz, with customers, media and policymakers, including Arizona Governor Doug Ducey, in attendance. First Lucid Air customer quality cars driven off the assembly line after achieving EPA certification, as well as achieving FMVSS safety certification. Customer deliveries to begin in late October. Reservations for Lucid Air surpass 13,000. Lucid Group, which is setting new standards with its advanced luxury EVs, kicked off its Production Preview Week, a series of events during which Lucid opened the doors of its advanced manufacturing plant, AMP1, and Lucid Powertrain Manufacturing, LPM1, factories in Casa Grande, Arizona, to members of the media and investor communities, policymakers, and Lucid Air Dream Edition customers. The first customer-quality Lucid Air luxury electric sedans rolled off the assembly line today during the event at AMP1, which included a factory commissioning ceremony with Arizona Governor Doug Ducey. Governor Ducey joined other policymakers and invited guests in highlighting Lucid's local job creation and economic development, increase in high-tech manufacturing footprint, and plans for future expansion in the state. Lucid's Arizona manufacturing facilities are expected to bring a projected economic output, direct, indirect, and induced, of $9 billion to the state in 2024, as well as a projected 15,000 jobs annually, direct, indirect, and induced, by 2024. During the event, customers, analysts, investors, and members of the media were also given the opportunity to be some of the first to test drive the Lucid Air. Lucid Air customer deliveries to begin in late October. Lucid expects reservation holders of Lucid Air Dream Edition models will begin receiving their vehicles in late October, with customer deliveries ramping up thereafter. Grand Touring, and Air Pure model deliveries are expected to follow. Lucid has thus far received more than 13,000 reservations for Lucid Air and increased the planned total production quantity of the Dream Edition to 520 vehicles. The EPA recently released its official range estimate for the Lucid Air Dream Edition range, which is the longest range for any electric car rated by the EPA, 520 miles on a single charge, more than 100 miles over its closest competitor. The Lucid Air Dream Edition Performance and Lucid Air Grand Touring also achieved EPA estimated ranges far beyond any other EV. With customer quality cars now coming off the line, Lucid has confirmed that the Air meets all the applicable regulatory requirements from the EPA and U.S. Department of Transportation. The proprietary EV technology that Lucid has developed will make it possible to travel more miles using less battery energy. For example, our Lucid Air Grand Touring has an official EPA rating of 516 miles of range with a 112 kWh battery pack, giving it an industry-leading efficiency of 4.6 miles per kilowatt-hour. Our technology will allow for increasingly lighter, more efficient, and less expensive EVs, and today represents a major step in our journey to expand the accessibility of more sustainable transportation, said Peter Rawlinson, CEO and CTO, Lucid Group. I'm delighted that production cars endowed with this level of efficiency are currently driving off our factory line. AMP1 factory expansion. Lucid completed the construction of the AMP1 factory, positioned on a 590-acre site in Casa Grande, Arizona, in less than a year. As the first greenfield, dedicated electric vehicle factory to be built in North America, Lucid's innovative AMP1 was designed with a future-ready focus that has allowed the company to already embark on a massive expansion of the facility. This will add 2.85 million square feet to support an increase in Air production and establish production of the brand's first SUV, Gravity, which is expected to start in 2023. Lucid's mission is to inspire the adoption of sustainable energy by creating the most captivating electric vehicles, centered around the human experience. The company's first car, Lucid Air, is a state-of-the-art luxury sedan with a California-inspired design underpinned by race-proven technology. Lucid Air features a luxurious full-size interior space and a mid-size exterior footprint. Customer deliveries of Lucid Air, which is produced at Lucid's new factory in Casa Grande, Arizona, are planned to begin in late October. It's one thing for a company to say it's capable of disrupting the entire EV industry with technologically unparalleled vehicles. But it's another thing to back up those big claims with proof. And that's exactly what Lucid Motors is hoping to do by welcoming the public into its Casa Grande production facility, dubbed its Advanced Manufacturing Plant 1, or AMP1. Journalists, policymakers, some investors and some customers will, for the first time ever, be able to walk into AMP1, play with Lucid's tech and even take a ride in a Lucid Air. The market is bullish that this event will go swimmingly. And we think this bullishness is appropriate. Anytime Lucid Motors has been tasked with backing up its talk with some walk, it's succeeded. Perhaps the most prominent example was Lucid's claim that its Air EV had 500 plus miles of range. And just recently, the EPA gave it an official 500 plus mile rating. 520 miles, to be precise. Production is an important milestone, and Lucid should be congratulated for this achievement. But the realities of sustained sales, delivery, build quality, and after-sale service are still big unknowns. These have proven to be challenging for all new car companies, so let's hope the Lucid Air sedan's impressive power and range specs are harbingers of how the customer experience will pan out. Lucid told investors in July that it expects to produce 20,000 Lucid Air sedans in 2022, generating more than $2.2 billion in revenue, according to an investor presentation. That's a slower ramp-up than other EV startups. Our emphasis is upon quality, delivering an awesome car, a car that our customers will really love, and delivering a luxury customer experience, Rawlinson said Tuesday on CNBC's Closing Bell. That takes precedent upon rushing the ramp-up of production in the immediate future, but clearly next year we're going to ramp things up on an S-curve of production. Lucid is manufacturing the Air at a new factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. It's building what's expected to be a multi-billion-dollar facility, which is the first greenfield EV plant in the U.S., in phases on a 590-acre site. The facility is expected to produce an SUV called the Gravity in 2023. Lucid was founded in 2007 as Ativa, a name it now uses for its engineering and tech arm that supplies batteries to electric racing circuit Formula E. The company first focused on electric battery technology before changing its name and shifting to an electric vehicle manufacturer in 2016, 3 years after Rawlinson joined the company to lead its technology development before becoming CEO. Lucid had some difficulty obtaining capital to fund its plans until September 2018 when it received $1 billion from Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund. It remains the largest shareholder of the company with about 62% of outstanding shares, according to FactSet. The automaker is among a group of EV startups to go public in the past year or so. Others have included Faraday Future, Canoo, Fisker, and Lordstown Motors. None have produced a saleable vehicle for consumers. Lucid's production start comes 2 weeks after Amazon-backed EV startup Rivian began production of its first vehicle, a pickup called the R1T, at a factory in Normal, Illinois.